Hi there. This is me confessing that I kind of let the day slip away today, and I meant to do my art a lot earlier, and I have not, and it's getting darker, and my energy levels are depleting. But I have this quest now to upload as often as possible and to show up often in hopes of bettering my art skills. So despite the energy depletion, I am going to do a sketch anyway. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna do a quick sketch, most likely from an art book, probably Andrew Loomis. Yeah. Anyways, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna refer to Andrew Loomis drawing the head and hands again for today's video. And I'm just gonna flip through and I'm going to pick a gentleman to draw because I've mentioned in quite a few of my videos that I find drawing male faces a lot trickier than women's faces, so I want to kind of lean into that more. So I think I'm going to aim for this one actually. Pretty straightforward. Seems simplistic enough, yet I know that most certainly will not be the case. It will most likely be very challenging for me, and I'm probably doing a self-fulfilling prophecy of saying that, but I'm gonna choose him anyways, and it's a small enough sketch that I can do it probably in a shorter amount of time than my normal sketches, even though I know I shouldn't be rushing. Alrighty, so I got fresh blank paper in my sketchbook, kind of like drawing at an angle, and I'm gonna start off with a circle. Okay, there's my circle, and I'm gonna do the cross section. This gentleman, the figurehead, has a more pronounced forehead, so I'm gonna move the line down a little bit. And then I'm gonna do the split in the middle. And then extend that line a little bit further down. Which will act as a marker for the lips and the chin, just basically the lower face. Okay, and I'm gonna draw in eyebrows. Alrighty, so there's that. Gonna start carving out the nose a bit. And then I'm just gonna add in the eyes. And I try to draw them like leaves a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna just carve out the cheeks and do kind of landmarkers for the ears. And then I'm just gonna do the lips. Okay. Okay, so that's it for so far, and I'll come back with my final results. Alrighty, so I am done for today. There is my figurehead, and here is my final drawing. So I think I'm getting a little bit better at the male drawings, to be honest. This at least look a lot closer to what the reference picture looks like. Don't you think? Okay, that's it for me today. I'm going to go have some dinner, recharge for the next day. So until then, peace.